Introducing the 2025 Kia Ev6 PE Earth in sleek grey. This all-electric MPV boasts a range of comfort, safety and styling features to enhance your driving experience. From satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our showroom at Dooley Motors Carlow today. Upgrade your ride and enjoy the benefits of driving a state-of-the-art Kia Ev6 PE Earth.